What's up, Dobbsy gang? Back at you today. We're going to be installing the Opt7 Universal LED spoiler. As you can see, there it is. Let's do it. Step one, take your light bar out of the box, lay it out, and test it. Looking good. Not really step two, but part B of step one. You need to cut and measure your taillight accessory, but we're not gonna cut it until later. First, we're gonna wire it up. So we're gonna open up the hatch here, and we've already started taking this back piece apart, the whole hatch piece. And what you're looking for is the black and red wires coming from the rear tail light. These are the wires you're going to need to splice into with your Opt7 light with these handy splicers that they provided. Appreciate it, Opt7. And once you splice into there, you should be good to go. It should be smooth sailing. See y'all there. All right, we're starting the crimping now. We've got one installed already to the red wire, and be sure you are wiring this around your hydraulic thing here. Anything you can wire it around. Have the wire going in the route that you need it to be going. So like I said before, we haven't even set our brake light yet. It's just kind of sitting here. We still need to clean the surface. We've got our wire coming around, going up through our hatch, and right now we're installing. All right, welcome back. We've got everything wired up, good to go. Now, before we clean this up and actually make sure that the light is attached, we're going to test it. Let's see. There it is, looking good. Looking good. All right, so what we did, it was just wired in. This is running as a kind of like a daytime running light. It turns on with my headlights. It's always on. You can tap this into your brake light and run it with your brake lights. So every time you touch your brakes, it lights up. For these purposes, I didn't want to do that, so it just lights up whenever I have my headlights on. Extra safety. Use it how you want to do it. But it looks really good. All of our wiring is nice and tight. Looks good. All the extra wires went in that hole right there. You'll figure it out with your vehicle what you want to do with it. Moving on. We're gonna get this stuff back assembled, and then we're gonna lay that light bar down, cleaning the surface, and we'll be done. Now we're just gonna clean it. Prep the space. Make sure you get all that debris and that dirt off. Otherwise, it's not gonna stick. So now we're gonna use this adhesive promoter. We're gonna put it all over the area that we are about to put the light strip. Promote it. That adhesive has been promoted. Insulinjukie already took off some of this strip, so I'm gonna hold this. Definitely easier with two people. Highly recommended.
We're gonna come back to the spot. Need two people.
Damn, that looks good.
There it is.
Here, let me get some.
That's tight.
You just gotta keep pressing it down.
Yeah. Ooh, look at how nice that looks. That looks good. That's the perfect touch of red. The perfect touch. You could have too much red. See, we're gonna get that cleaned up. That'll be nice and flush like that. We just have a little bit of excess right now. But I mean, that's it. That's the only thing that you can see. Otherwise, you would never know this isn't stock. Looks good. And that's it. That's the install for your Opt7 LED light bar. It looks really good. It can hook up to your brake lights if you want it to. The hardest part of the install was trying to get the interior plastic pieces out and then locating the wire that you're going to hook it up to. But once you find that wire, it's a really straightforward and simple install. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like it, comment, subscribe, and always follow DobbsyMoto on all social media channels. Check in out.